Guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share with you a short video on how I attached post braces to the concrete. I used to nail down 2x4s and then use screws to attach the braces to those 2x4s, and then attach the brace to the post. But I ran out of 2x4, so I found a few T hinges that I had laying around, and I thought, why not to try it? So basically, I attached the hinges to 2x4s, to braces on one side, and nailed that down to the concrete. That gave me a flexibility with that brace. When I was adjusting the level, I could move it up and down easily, and to my surprise, it held pretty good. It was sturdy, and it was strong. So I decided to share this video with you guys. Let me know what you think. Please message me or post a comment on my YouTube account. I will see you guys in the next video. There's more good videos coming up, so please subscribe. Thank you for watching.